The PC's USB audio function uses your Poly CCX phone in Microsoft Teams or generic mode as a USB audio device for your PC or Mac. The Poly CCX has built-in acoustic fins and noise block AI technologies and gives you the flexibility needed for working from home, hot desking on site, or quick calls from focus rooms. No software is needed. Today, we'll be demonstrating with a Poly CCX600, which also has Wi-Fi capabilities. While USB audio is available for all Poly CCX phones, you will need to contact your service provider to configure the Poly CCX400 to use this feature. USB audio mode also requires your phone to be running firmware version 7.2.0 or higher. To set up USB audio, first ensure that the phone is plugged into a power source. The phone cannot be powered through USB cable. Next, you need a USB cable with USB-C on one end and a USB connector that is compatible with your computer on the other end. This may be a USB-A or USB-C connector depending on your computer. Connect the USB-C end to the top USB-C port on your phone. The lower USB port can be used as a host port for headsets or USB adapters. Then connect the other end of the USB-C cable to your computer. When you enter a call on your computer, your Poly CCX phone will appear as an audio option. Your Poly CCX phone is now ready for use.